Now, as we go under the Brooklyn Bridge, if you look over here to the right after the bridge and see this park in Brooklyn, that is called Dumbo. And Dumbo is nothing more than an acronym. What Dumbo means is down underneath Manhattan Bridge overpass. So this is our Dumbo area. Now up ahead, of course, is our Manhattan Bridge. And this was built for the subway service. So if you hear some rumbling as we go underneath the bridge, no need to panic, it's just the subway going by.
Rocky muri New York.